Imagine a world where operators, not technicians, are the first line of defense against equipment failures. Autonomous maintenance empowers them to take charge of routine tasks, transforming maintenance culture. As a pillar of total productive maintenance, autonomous maintenance shifts basic duties from technicians to operators. This change fosters a proactive approach, enhancing equipment reliability and production efficiency. Autonomous maintenance unfolds through 7 structured steps. Each step builds operator ownership and technical skills, integrating maintenance into daily production tasks seamlessly. From initial cleaning to continuous improvement, these steps empower operators to detect anomalies early. This proactive approach reduces downtime and enhances equipment performance. Operator-driven reliability minimizes unplanned downtime and boosts mean time between failures. This approach enhances overall equipment effectiveness, optimizing maintenance resources. By integrating maintenance into daily tasks, operators become active contributors to asset performance. This collaboration strengthens maintenance production integration, driving continuous improvement. Implementing autonomous maintenance isn't without challenges. Skill gaps, standardization issues, and communication barriers can hinder progress. Addressing these challenges is crucial for success. Strategies like structured training, standardized procedures, and clear communication can bridge these gaps. Overcoming resistance to change ensures effective monitoring and follow-up. A computerized maintenance management system, CMMS, is vital for supporting autonomous maintenance. It aids in task scheduling, anomaly reporting, and documentation, consolidating maintenance activities. CMMS enhances coordination between teams, providing full visibility of asset history. This digital infrastructure supports continuous improvement, aligning with TPM principles. Recap: autonomous maintenance empowers operators, reduces downtime, and enhances reliability. By integrating it into your operations, you can achieve improved efficiency and equipment performance. Take action today. Empower your operators for proactive maintenance and embrace autonomous maintenance for a more reliable and efficient future.